Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q3 vs Honda CR-V. Focus on handling, cargo, fuel economy, and ownership costs as you watch. I'll walk through exterior styling, cabin comfort, technology, driving dynamics, and practical cargo space to help you decide. Expect clear examples, quick comparisons, and final pros and cons so you can judge value. I'll speak plainly and point out which model suits commuters, families, and enthusiasts. Both cars offer composed rides, but the Audi Q3 emphasizes sharper handling, while the Honda CR-V favors comfort and predictability. The Q3's turbocharged engine gives brisk acceleration and responsive steering for spirited driving. The CR-V returns strong low-end torque, smooth shifts, and a more cushioned ride ideal for daily commuting and family trips. Consider trim options and optional all-wheel drive when comparing traction, towing, and winter performance. I'll mention fuel trade-offs and cost considerations next. Quick recommendation: if you like staying organized during test drives or trips, consider these leak-proof meal prep containers for packing lunches and snacks. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save time when camping or commuting between dealer visits. If this helped, please subscribe and like so you see more comparisons and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and now let's get back to the video. Cabin quality differs, with the Audi Q3 offering upscale materials and a driver-focused layout, while the CR-V prioritizes space and user-friendly controls. The Q3 often includes a digital cockpit and premium finishes that feel luxe. The CR-V provides generous rear legroom, clever storage, and simple infotainment operation for families. Compare standard safety tech, available driver assists, and optional audio upgrades when choosing which interior fits your lifestyle and budget today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.